The following video that you guys are going to see is with my custom Mobula 8 DJI 03 build. I haven't been able to fly this for a while because I scratched my lens, but I got a new one, so I put the new lens onto my build, and it's working. So I was really excited to fly it. I call this the Lil Punk. It's 59 grams. And it flies really nicely, but you still have to consider that it is a tiny little whoop thing. So when I was ascending into the sky, it was windy and everything, and it had just rained, so everything was wet. So climbing was tricky. I only had a full battery for my first, the giant climb, it was almost 900 feet. And I was able to make it to the top. But then later on, I had been messing around and doing other dumb things, and I knocked the camera off, and I was down to low batteries, so I wasn't able to make it to the top of the buildings. It was super windy, and I tried to fly smoothly. Also, this frame has a couple cracks, so I'm just letting you know that the Mobula 8 frame, it's not that strong. It cracks in these places, so you got to glue it back together and everything. I still love this, and it's not really meant to freestyle, but you can as long as you don't hit anything. So it's more delicate, and I probably shouldn't push it as hard or smack it as much, but these were relatively more kind of gentle flights anyways. Whoops can't dive because there's too much weight on top, and then if they're pushers, the battery's on top, and the moment you try to dive, the battery pulls you forward, which makes it not work. And that's how the Mobula 803 is stock. But the way that I orientated the air unit by making it diamond, you're not blocking the waves. We're saving 20 grams of weight. So instead of the 20 grams being out up here and blocking everything and really pulling it down, now it's balanced. So the battery weight on this side and the air unit, the weight balances it out, and it falls straight down very nicely. And if it wasn't windy, it would be even better. I graded these just a touch. They are relatively dark because I wanted you to see what it looked like coming out of the air unit. So I just made it a little bit better, but I was flying in almost pitch black weather. Also, when you looked up at the top of the building, there was a mist. I want to do a dive, but the top of the building is inside fog. So I don't want to lose my vision, but I still want to dive it. So you couldn't even see it. So I wanted to see what that would feel like with the drone, and it was awesome. I'm a little bit congested and I have a hole in my tongue. If you don't see my videos or my flying for a bit, it means I'm not flying. I like to kind of go on this journey with you and show you my process and what I'm learning and everything. So today I'll probably be doing a live stream as I test out some Mobula 75 HD0s, and we're going to be building this is fun, but I'm going to be building a nighttime polar discus. I'm going to be building a nighttime polar edition discus so that I can have a night flyer, because this does not really fly well in the night. So the next day I took rock steady off because I kind of like seeing everything, but because the frame is cracked and stuff and it's windy, it was a little bit shaky. But if it's not a windy day, this is not shaky, and indoors it's amazing. I'm gonna keep working on this. I'm gonna make a frame, and I'm gonna find a way to build a little 2-inch. Well, see, the thing is that if you build a frame around a 2.5-inch prop, that means you're gonna be able to fly with 2-inch ducted or 2.5 not ducted. And I really like that idea. Same thing with the 3.5. So my 3.5 discus is the perfect candidate for a ducted 3-inch prop. So I'm always thinking about better ways of doing things, tighter designs, more efficiency. And this little thing is awesome. And the roll cage actually really works. So if you do want to try one of these, I offer them to people that are part of my print club. So if you go on Patreon and you join the print club, that's the only way to get my prints. I don't sell STLs. I only ship prints directly to you. So you join the print club, and then you send me your address, Tell me what you want and I'll ship it to you, and all you have to do is be a member of my print club, pay for the shipping. You only want to join the print club for 1 month to get some prints, you can do that too. I don't mind, but I'm not selling them for like $2 each or anything because it's more work than it's worth. And by joining the print club, you're not just paying for prints, you're supporting me as a creator and helping me out. So I think that's fair. I hope you have a good one and enjoy the flight footage. As always feel free to reach out to me, ask me questions. I love talking to you guys. I love this community and this hobby, and let's keep going.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.